Hey guys, what's happening? I had to transfer Solana from Binance to BullX. So first of all, just go ahead and open up Binance, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead and then click assets at the bottom, okay, and then click the crypto. If you have traded with Solana, you're gonna find it here, okay. Just because I don't have it, I'm gonna show a different coin, but you can apply this to Solana, obviously. So go ahead to the Bitcoin, for example, and then hit withdraw, and you can withdraw or send this via crypto network, okay, and of course enter the address or invoice and then select the network in the withdrawal amount, okay. And that's why you need to go to BullX, right, and use your account or log in using your account, and then basically you're gonna be able to generate an address by selecting Solana to receive the coin from Binance to BullX. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next time.